Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pots Breaks. It is Friday, September the 18th, breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We've only got 5 boxes left out of our original 40. We random those up and got number 18. Random teams on your left teams. Customers have been randomized and alphabetized. It gave everybody a chance to trade, but actually I think, although I did get that pasted there, let me just get that list pasted in my doc for our qualifier. Sorry guys. Alright, there we go. Nope. Gave everybody a chance to trade, but nobody's going to trade because we know all our teams from the checklist, guys. We got the 5 boxes left. Let's see what we gonna get here. Well, that's gonna be one of our big boys there, guys. Sure could use that to sit a couple more boxes, but you're for 4 boxes left. You guys are set up pretty damn nice still. That is gonna be the Oakland Hydro spot with the Bo Jackson Hydro F7 Beckett certification, guys. And I'm telling you, I don't know why they do this. I think it's because they don't have the collars on at the signings or whatever. But they put the decal there, so it is there, guys. Don't think it doesn't have the sticker. So that is going to be a beautiful F7 Bo Jackson for the Oakland Hydro spot. Wow, Mark, man, you have been hitting pretty consistent. You haven't been hitting like a ton a night. What you have been is hitting something every damn night, though, it seems. Or almost every night there, guys. Mark had a very rough run, man, but he has been hitting pretty clean lately. I'm very sorry, everybody else there. But Mark is going to take that one. Let me just double check. Yes, sir. Going to be a Mark hit on that. There'll be one very similar. Again, different top plate, different cage. Next series, folks. I think the other one's a little more gray. So you'll be seeing one very similar to that next series as well. Let me get Mark on that. Switch out my camera. Alright, we got a 9. Gonna pull one of Mark's out there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. We got Duck and Eyebreak are going to be the qualifiers for the jersey framing, guys. We'll award that after 4 more boxes. That's qualifiers 7172, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Bobby Two Pots Breaks 8 Central.